We'll guide you through how to edit videos in DaVinci Resolve Studio. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve Studio on your computer and go to the Media tab to import your video files. You can do this by clicking on the Import Media button and selecting the files you want to edit from your computer. Once your media is imported, head over to the Edit tab, which is where you'll spend most of your time. Drag your video clips from the media pool down to the timeline. This is where you can start making cuts, adding transitions, and arranging your clips. To cut a clip, select the blade tool or press B on your keyboard, then click on the timeline where you want to make the cut. You can switch back to the selection tool by pressing A and move clips around or delete sections you don't need. For transitions, go to the effects library on the left and drag a transition effect between two clips on the timeline. If you want to add text, go to the titles section in the effects library and drag a title template to the timeline above your video clip. You can customize the text by clicking on the title in the timeline and adjusting the settings in the inspector on the right. Once you're happy with your edits, it's time to color grade. Click on the Color tab, where you can adjust the color settings, contrast, and saturation to enhance your video. If you're not familiar with color grading, you can use the LUTs available in DaVinci Resolve to apply a preset look to your footage. Finally, when your video is ready, go to the Deliver tab to export it. Choose your desired format and settings, then click on Add to Render Queue, and finally hit Start Render to export your video. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.